कलिंगा विश्वविद्यालय नया रायपुर ने 22 नवंबर 2025 को साइंस वर्किंग मॉडल प्रतियोगिता 4.0 का सफलतापूर्वक आयोजन किया, जिसमें पूरे छत्तीसगढ़ से उत्कृष्ट वैज्ञानिक प्रतिभाओं को एक मंच पर लाया गया और नवाचार, शोध, संस्कृति तथा समग्र छात्र विकास के अग्रणी केंद्र के रूप में विश्वविद्यालय की प्रतिष्ठा को पुनः स्थापित किया गया। 40 से अधिक स्कूलों, 80 कार्यरत वैज्ञानिक मॉडलों, 400 से अधिक प्रतिभागी छात्रों और 450 प्लस विजिटर्स के भागीदारी के साथ इस आयोजन ने रचनात्मकता और जिज्ञासा का एक उत्साहजनक वातावरण बनाया। कार्यक्रम का उद्घाटन कलिंगा विश्वविद्यालय के कुलपति डॉक्टर संदीप गांधी द्वारा किया गया, जिन्होंने भाग लेने वाले छात्रों की मौलिकता, रिसर्च ओरिएंटेशन और वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोण की सराहना की।
There are number of factors which affect chronic diseases. One is poor nutrition, which makes immune system weak. Microgreen boost immunity naturally. They are rich in vitamin, mineral and antioxidant. They are small edible plants packed with harvest just after first two leaves. Now my friend Sanidhya will explain.
So microgreens can provide hands-on learning experience to STEM learning, like in science, plant biology is there. In technology, LED lighting systems can be used. Then in engineering, students can build automated lighting or watering system. And in mathematics, data analysis can be done. Before we started our project, we had a survey in Chhattisgarh across various schools, in which we found out that more than 60% of teachers were unaware about microgreens, and they wanted to know about it and include this into their teachings. So the benefits of including microgreens in education will be:
benefits of teaching microgreen. In academic benefits, student can develop hands-on learning with critical thinking. In career benefits, STEM education, agriculture education and career entrepreneur skill. Microgreen can be a great business idea in future. Benefits of microgreen. Microgreen is an anti-diabetic, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancerous. We have compared the nutrition profile as well as.
Wow, that's a great idea by the students. So do you think this can be implemented in Chhattisgarh?
Yes, it can.
Okay, nice. What is your school name?
Krishna Public School International.
Hope you guys win. All the best.